Karl Marx, he said that religion is the opium of the masses. Now, what was he trying to say? In countries whereby religion is upheld or held at very high esteem, there is no much development that can come into that country. And this is because religion acts as a pseudo cream to soothe the pains of the citizens. In Nigeria, religion is an opium that keeps us deluded from understanding our reality. We believe that all you just have to do is pray and pray and pray, and your situation is going to be better than your neighbor. And if your situation is not better than your neighbor, pray that God touches the hearts of those in government so that they are going to change. These are the things that we pass through in this country. And our religious leaders, they are not making things easier for us. They make it harder. Now, okay, a few days back, the Senate have refused vehemently to approve the electronic transmission of results. Now, they have been beating around the bush, giving excuses that don't even make sense in 2027 or 2026. And still yet, not one religious leader or religious organization called for a prayer protest.